how to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account safely. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings page, simply scroll down and tap on the delete account option. Don't worry, Snapchat will temporarily deactivate your account for 30 days before the permanent deletion. And with that, on the new page, Snapchat will ask you to log in to confirm. And here, once you have entered the username and password, your account will become inactive, but it can be restored anytime within the 30 days by simply logging back in. And that's it. That's how you can temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account safely. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.